So I think when you cross 37 weeks or you cross 38 weeks, you become like too pregnant to be as a human, you know. It's a feeling. You know. Okay. So soon I hope the baby will come within next week as per my due date. So keeping that in mind is like, let's organize things, let's do things earlier, like vacuum the floor, clean the toilet, or organize the kitchen again, make some preparation. You don't have to meal preparation or something that will help, because you do not know what will, the day comes, it becomes like, I don't want to get bothered by all those things when I'm in labor or after the birth. So it's like, okay. But it's very hard to get the energy also to do all of this. But then you feel that the necessity to do it also, and then the energy also comes. So I think I was planning all these things that I have to do this, that and all, and the whole week, last week. But then I was not in that energy. I was not getting the energy to do it. Today is like, okay, I'm getting the energy. It's Saturday, and my husband also is like in that energetic mode. He's also doing things, and I'm like, okay, let me do the vacuum, let me just organize my dresser, let me just prepare some masala, because a lot of things got finished in kitchen, so let me just replenish all those things. So okay, I think this video will be like just to that. Just to keeping these moments, keeping this memory in our memory book, to capturing all these things and remembering later on maybe in life that, oh, this is how we did things and how it turned out and all. Yeah, that's it. আমার পার্ট হয়ে গেছে, এখন দোকানে ছেড়ে দেবো। আমার ভালো লাগে। ফাইনালি কার সিট বেল্ট এই পাশ থেকে। আবার 0 to 2 months এর রিক্লাইনিং ব্যাপার আছে না?
না এই পুরোটা যাবে হচ্ছে তলা দিয়ে। এই গেল তো, এই
অল সেট। বাস বেবি আসার টাইম। আমরা মাঝখানে বসালাম, বিকজ এখানে বসালে সিটটাতে বেঁধে যাচ্ছে, সো তাই জন্য বেটার, তাই না? চলো।
সারাদিন আমাকে কাজ করায়।
কি বলছো?
সারাদিন আমাকে দিয়ে কাজ করাতে থাকে, সেই কাজ
সেবা চলছে।
দেখো আমি নিজে পেছন যেটা হাত গুছিয়েছি সেটা দিয়ে নিজেকে নিজে মাসাজ দিচ্ছি। তুই পেছন দিয়ে কি কেন মারছিস? ঠিক আছে।